Welcome to my channel. My name is Ron and today we are going to play Puppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's go! So ayun, new game tayo. Para siyang commercial. What's this? A Play-Doh? Okay. May Play-Doh. Dewey the Dough Man. Dewey the Dough Man. Look at all the colors.
Call the number on screen and order your Dewey today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not invest.
What is happening to Dewey the Dough Man?
What's the time?
This is cursed. Ano nangyari kay Dewey the Dough Man?
I knew it. This is the one I wanted.
Present opening.
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime Factory.
That's right, honey.
Parang Wonka. Wonka in the Chocolate Factory.
Jack.
So this is the
don't wander
factory.
off. Stay right here with them.
Aww. Kasama niya si Dewey the Dough Man.
Not even a little bit.
Playtime Corporation. Don't lean forward. Mahuhulog ka dyan. Oh my God! Nahulog siya. Nahulog siya sa ano. My God! Ayan na, mag-start na ang game. Puppy Playtime Chapter 4. I'm excited. Safe Haven. Dewey the Dough Man.
No. Hold on, Kissy.
Sino to?
Coming.
Kizzy.
Go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because
Okay,
of,
Papi.
because of me.
This is Papi.
Just
Just be careful down here. Okay, I
It's not
will.
like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it
Okay.
is.
This
It's hell.
is getting creepy. We have allies down here. Okay. Tutorial. Okay. Okay, move. Move.
Time to save the orphans.
Launch your track hands. Okay. Right, launch. Saan tayo papunta nito? Dito sa taas. Ay, wow! May baril tayo. Okay. I love it. Para tong Inspector Gadget. Tapos, swing. Grab the handle. Oops!
I'm a crafty
What?
corn. Can you help me with my painting?
No thanks. No thanks.
Now, can you give me some red?
Babarilin kita. San,
More red, please.
move in please.
Ow. But you're hiding more red from me. I know you are.
Creepy! Saan tayo? What's that? Okay, straight ahead. Kamay. Okay. Forward. What's in this room? Interact. E. Ba't parang ang dami-daming flashy toys na parang ang daming blood? No items obtained. Red smoke. Combustion or heat-based elements within environments containing red smoke due to the nature of its composition when exposed to the right pressure conditions. Okay. Let's go! Sarado natin to. At baka may makalabas. What? Caves 10. Let's go inside. Oh no. What's this? Para siyang mining something. Ang daming flashy toys. What happened to them? Ano to? Oh, kunin natin to. Pasok tayo. Dito sa loob. Crouch. Let's jump. Okay. Jump! Yun. Ang galing ng kamay niya, humahaba. Ano? What's that? It's just a light. May flashy toys na naman color violet. Checkpoint 1A. Loading bay 1E. Approach the cup to squeeze. Approach the cups to squeeze. So, dalawang purpose ng baril ko. Pang flashlight din pala siya. Approach the gap to squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yun. Pasok. Hand wheel. Quick swap. Saan tayo mag-swap ng ito? Ano to? What's in this? Lagyan natin dito. Panoorin natin siya. Playtime Corporation. Flare hand. Is that my hand? It is! Flare hand. In dark areas, use flare. Sabi ko na nga ba, flashlight ang flare hands ko eh. Kaya nga flare, di ba? Shoot at the wrong timing. Ting. Thank you. Don't harm yourself or other employees. Okay. That's fair enough. What's the playtime? What's the time? Playtime. Let's go na. Tapos na yung palabas. Find the entrance to the prison. Oh my goodness, ang dami nila. What's that? May tumatakbo. Ano to? Robot? Ang dilim. Super basura, para siyang Smoky Mountain. What's this? Riley Journal Entry 2. Being chosen. Dr. White choose me. So para siyang si Papa ng Stranger Things. Para siyang si Papa. Okay. Let's go na. Ayun na may mga flashy toys. Gumagalaw nga sila. Piling ko ito yung mga kalaban ko talaga eh. Let's go na. Nasa na ba tayo? What's that? Oh, ano nangyari? What happened? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What's that? May mga monkey flashy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ang cute pa naman nila. Mga kalaban pala sila. Para silang zombie monkey flashy. Find another way into the prison. Go. Let's get this. Riley, journal entry number 4. The room started moving. Okay. Let's run. This wasn't what I thought. Okay. Okay, let's go. Jump. Jump. Yun. Bakit nakatabingi ako? What's that? Let's go dito. This way. Parang may naririnig ako na parang mga zombie. What's in here? Let's go in here. Up here. Ano yun? Oh, may kamay. Okay. 1, 2. Yun, nakatalon ako. Hey,
Hey, it's
Ollie.
me again, Ollie. I wanted to.
key items will be needed.
I wanted to talk to you. Before you go
What happened to you,
inside,
Ollie? Hinahin
everything
natin
you've
to.
seen out here, the piles,
Okay.
the dead,
What's in this
they
box?
all came from inside.
What?
Believe me, everything
This place
Hawkins
is
said
true.
about this place is
It's
true.
hell!
It's hell.
Goodness.
But she also hasn't
Hinahin natin
seen it
to.
like I have.
Hilahin din natin itong nasa ilalim na box. Ayaw mahila. Ito na lang.
Just try to
Hila.
stay.
Yun.
Let your guard
Yun.
down for
Yun.
even a second.
Akyat.
I'll try to
Galing.
help you when I
Okay,
can.
dito tayo. Dito ba yung nagsasalita si Ollie? Ano to? Key? May key. Ollie, patay ka na pala. Is that you? Is that your skull? Or is it... Okay. Riley journal entry number 5. This place is a prison. Tara na, tara na. What's in this? Let's go in this room. May papanoorin na naman natin to. What's this?
Hey, Cole.
Hey Cole.
Hey, Norm.
Cole and Norm.
Best time of the day. Yeah. So,
Guard, mga guard sila.
What block are you again? North.
North.
Say I hear much about that one. You wouldn't. High security? Highest security.
Highest security daw.
No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and
Day and night.
And it just
So yung mga toys gumagalaw.
kill for a little security and quiet. Right. Right. Oh, well,
Mga
we
robot
get in the
toys.
things. Whatever they aren't people anymore. Their cells might as well be cages.
What?
They are animals.
They're animals. Sick, twisted.
Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them. Sure, but at least then it's not like yelling at your own kids for them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them,
What's that sound? Yun na ba yung mga...
About 2 o'clock.
Yun na ba yung mga toys sumisigaw?
Don't we?
Super creepy naman yung mga toys na ito. Let's go outside na. Okay. Lahin natin to. Dito natin padaanin. And then, dito sa kabila side. And 1 2 yan. Para masira siya. What's this? Ah, ito yung train. Saan tayo papunta? Saan tayo dadali ng train na ito?
Sway beneath my
Is this Papa?
an invasive
Dr. White.
foreign little germ.
The doctor.
After all this time, but I see you. Well, little germ,
Little Germ?
game of you.
What do you want from me?
We've blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here by the barest skins of teeth. There are no shadows here that will be of use to you.
Okay.
The ground beneath your feet is yours.
Okay.
Places you can hide.
Chill. Chill. Masaya siya. Okay, Dr. White, goodbye. Where am I? Escape the prison. Okay, let's go. This is the new objective. Ano yun? Parang may taong nakabitay. Escape the prison na. Tara na. What's that? Yun, open na. What's in here? What's that sound? What's that sound? What is this cage thing? What is that sound? Dr. White, are you there? Escape the prison na. Let's go na. Nakalak. Saan ako dadaan? Naliligaw na ako. Close door to stop Peter's person. Ayun, mga critters. Ayun sila, ang dami nila. Let's go na, let's go na, let's go, 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 go. Alis na tayo dito, oh. I hate this place. I hate this Playtime Corporation. Let's go na. Saan na ba tayo? Naliligaw na ba tayo? What's this? Ayun. Hila. Pull. Yun. Pasok tayo dito. Nakalak din. Limon? What is this lemon thing? Limon! Limon, where are you? Naliligaw na tayo. Hindi ko na alam kung saan tayo dadaan. Ay, what's that? Limon, saan tayo dadaan? Rejoice in Him. Limon, where are we going now? Tell me. Bago na yung kamay ko, red na. Oh my goodness, Dr. White.
They appear lost and disoriented.
Limon.
Heavy breathing is indicative of fear. And rightly so. Let's test the response to Cynthia when pushed into
Wow, my God, maganda, yan na sila, ang dami nila, ina-atake na nila tayo, mamamatay na tayo, we're dead, we're so dead, we are so dead, we're so dead, ayoko na, there are too many of them, the critters, and the flashy toys. Let's go na. Let's get out of here. Oh my goodness, ang dami nila. Ah! No! I'm dead. I'm dead. No, guys, I'm so dead. No, I'm dead na. I'm dead. It's the end of me and Limon. I'm dead. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
You may proceed. Proceed to what? So ayun guys, tapos ko nalaruin yung Puppy Playtime Chapter 4. Hindi ko na tinapos kasi nataya na ako. Ayun. So, ang verdict ko sa laro to, maganda siya, magandang graphics niya, and laruin nyo din. Bye!